Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install VS Code on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel and like the video. Open your favorite browser and type here VS Code. Visual Studio Code. And from here, click on here downloads. So from here, you'll download according to your operating system. I am on Windows. I will download this one. Click on it. You can download according to your operating system or you are on Linux or Mac. So it will start the download. So right now we have VS Code user setup x64 1.8 2.2. So I will cancel this download process because I have already downloaded the setup for the time saving purpose. So I will go to downloads and from here I'll start the installation process. Click on the setup. It will take a little time. So from here, click on accept agreement and click on next. So I'll use the default path. You can if you want to change, you can click on browse and choose your own path. So it will take at least 355 MB of disk on and click on next. So if you don't want to create a start menu folder, click on check this one. For I need that, so I will not. Click on next, create icon desktop and click on next, install. So it will take a little time to install. So the installation is completed. So if you want to launch the project, just click on finish and it will launch your setup. So I'll click on that. So it will immediately open Visual Studio Code. So you can also open from here Visual Studio Code. So from here, you can create a new project, open a new folder, create new file, or new window. Anything you want to do, you can perform from here, from right here. So good luck, guys. If you have any curious suggestion, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, and like the video. You can also watch the video of NetBeans ID, Eclipse ID, and many more on my channel.